Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the picture in your contact. So first of all, you have to take the photo to get the picture, or you can download some picture of this person. So let's take a single photo. Yes, that's right. Now go to the contacts. Of course, you need to take the photo of person which you want to add to your contact, okay? So there is choice a contact, and on the contact we're gonna go to edit here, and there is option add picture. From the gallery or the camera, wherever we have prepared our photo, you can drag and drop it, choice, and save it. Voila! You add photo to your contacts. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!